Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the car. Try it on your own. Drag the part to its place. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Truck. Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Now you try. Done! Let's take this old house away. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Now it's your turn. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Now we need to wash it clean. Truck. Let's start foaming the machine. Try it on your own. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Try it on your own. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Now it's your turn. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its silhouette. We did it!